Welcome back. We're talking today about the resources available in the area for those with Alzheimer's disease and their families. And with us now is Lisa Wells, Options Counselor with Aging and Disability Resource Center of Eau Claire County. Thanks for being with us, Lisa.
Thank you, Judy.
So one of the figures we've already used is that there are nearly 15 million Alzheimer's and dementia caregivers in the country. And, you know, research shows if these caregivers don't get the support that they need, you know, they too will suffer. And I guess tell us a little bit about what's happening here in your program. There's actually a new program, Memory Care Connections.
Memory Care Connections is a research project that is available in 6 counties in the state of Wisconsin, and we're looking at Eau Claire, Dunn, Chippewa, Barron, Rusk, and Washburn counties. And this is a study that is specifically for spouses who are caring for husbands and wives and partners who are caring for that loved one with Alzheimer's disease or dementia.
And you said this is a research study, and
it is. It is actually, we're replicating a study that was based at a New York university. So it's proven effective in reducing caregiver stress, caregiver burden, helping with those memory loss issues, behavioral issues, as well as delay nursing home care by up to 18 months.
Wow. So how does this work then? If you are a spouse of someone who has Alzheimer's or dementia, what happens?
Well, to be eligible, you have to have that spouse or partner, and then you also have to have some type of support in place. So that can either be, you know, some family members in town, that can be a neighbor, a friend, somebody from church, but you have to have some type of support in place. So if somebody calls our office and doesn't have that, we're still going to serve them, however they can't be a part of this study. And so what it does is it's one-on-one meetings as well as 4 family sessions. So I meet with that person individually, and because it's a study, I have to get a lot of questions answered. I find out what the situation is, what are some of the concerns, who are their support, and then we meet with that family or those friends once a month for 4 months. And during that time, it's finding out what is it that caregiver needs to feel supported. Is it learning coping strategies, communication strategies? Is it education? A lot of times it's just getting all that information out to that family, because the family, you know, the parents sometimes, that wife or husband, they don't always tell their kids everything that's going on. And so I'm finding that during some of these family sessions, things are getting out on the table where the kids are like, I had no idea this was going on at home. And so it's been really exciting to see some of the things that are happening during these family sessions. And then once those 4 sessions are over, then I meet with that caregiver again, one-on-one, to do some more assessments. So what it really involves is their time. It doesn't cost anything. It's convenient. It's credible. It's an evidence-based program. And I'm seeing a lot of wonderful things happening.
And it's happening right now, so people can still be part of this?
Yes, it's for 3 years, but yes, people can call any one of the ADRCs in Chippewa, Barron, Rusk, Washburn, Dunn, and Eau Claire counties. Also the Alzheimer's Association, you can call them as well, and they can connect you with the right care consultant.
Sure. And you mentioned somebody has to have, you know, a spouse or partner, but they also have to have a support system in place.
In place, right.
And what if somebody doesn't? I mean, obviously they're the ones who really will need the
and
help.
I've had several of those people call and say, well, my whole family is in Minnesota or they're in California. I have nobody here. So as an options counselor, I'm still going to meet with them, discuss all the different resources in town, and listen to their concerns and find out what it is they need. So we're still going to serve them. They just can't be a part of this study.
Got it. Okay. And I know there's a lot of issues that are involved with all of this, and you try to get, I think when you mentioned education, I mean, that really is key, information,
right.
You know, getting to
because
know
if they
there.
know a little bit more about the disease, that might help them handle it as it continues to get worse. And there's so many different types of dementia, so they have no idea about that, the different signs and symptoms, so it's good education for the family to know and learn, and to give them more resources if they need it.
Right. Each experience is different, too, so we have to deal with that as well. And then we also wanted to mention that there's a workshop coming up next month, which is October 13th.
October 13th, yes. It's called Memory Loss: Empowering Communities Through Early Detection. And what it is, we are teaming up with the Mayo Healthcare Clinic System. It's the new, I can't get the name straight yet. And Dr. Gruber is going to be our presenter, and so she's going to be coming in and talking about the importance of early detection, but also prior to that, people can get memory screens. And so if you're concerned about your memory, and a lot of people are, So they can come, they can call our office, sign up for a memory screen. We'll have some exhibits there, some resource booths. We're providing a free meal, and then the presentation. So the whole event is free, and it's Thursday, October 13th.
Oh, a lot going on, a lot of information.
Yes.
So if somebody's concerned about this topic in terms of dementia.
Absolutely. Come and learn, get some education, find out if you have some memory concerns that are really true concerns that need to be looked at by a physician.
Okay, and that will happen on October 13th, and that information's on there on the screen as well. And also the walk is coming up. We want to mention that one more time. Alzheimer's Association Walk to End Alzheimer's is September 17th in Eau Claire, 10 a.m. walk, 8:30 a.m. Registration will begin at Carson Park. And there's the phone number for the Alzheimer's Association as well. And if you want to be involved in the memory care connections, also call one of those counties that we were talking about and get information on that. Thanks so much,
Thank
Lisa.
you.
Appreciate that. And coming up on tomorrow's show, back to school time means getting back into a routine, especially at dinner time. We'll get some easy weeknight recipes with Angie Horkin from the Wisconsin Beef Council. And to watch this show again, you can go to our website and click on the interview page. Coming up next, why some hospitals are turning to infant sleep sacks instead of swaddling. We'll be right back.